That's not a button.
Veggie.
You want a veggie? What kind of veggie? What kind?
Bok choy.
Good girl. Good girl. Anything else room service can do for you, ma'am? Anything else?
Veggie.
What kind of veggie?
Bok choy.
Again? Oh, good girl. Good girl. She likes her bok choy. We were just playing, but she suddenly switched her mind. Yeah. Anything else for room service? Tuxn cat? No, you can't get it yourself. You have to go tell me. You have to go tell me. No, you go tell me. You gotta tell me first.
Just throw it.
Okay, here. There it is. It's bok choy. She sees more on the table. She can't get her mind off the bok choy. Is that all you want? Anything else, ma'am? Good girl. Hey, good girl. Good girl. Okay, that's enough. You're happy. I know you're happy. No, you're not getting it without telling me.
Get toy.
Not that one. How about this one? How about this one? This one.